Okay guys, got a 2007 Ford Freestar that I picked up for a family at church. Gonna be changing the rear shocks. I changed the passenger side already. Gonna change the driver's side real quick. It's pretty easy to do, but I'll show you what's going on here in a second. Okay, the clip for this. The lug nut socket's a 19. Brakes are decent, they're good. Okay guys, two nuts right here for the shock. These are 15 millimeter. The back side has an insert, you ain't got to use a wrench on it. Top side is 18 on the bottom here. Just get it on there like so. It'll actually, you can use, you don't even really technically have to have a wrench because it will spin it off. I don't have any impact wrenches here at the house. Everything's at the shop. So I'm going to have to just do it the old way. Use a breaker bar to break these loose. I don't want to do that. Come on, freaking hand. As you can see right here, the nut, this part right here will catch on the back side, and it'll actually, you can just keep loosening it without having to put a nut or a wrench on the back side of this. Top side, you just have to undo this bolt because it threads into a self-tapping thread clip right up there. Let me get this back here. Get a ratchet on this now. This will be loose enough to be able to finish. There, it caught. It just caught right there, so now you can back it on out. There it is. Now the top. So we get the wrench in here and just try to break it with the wrench. No. Just use a breaker bar. Maybe I'll get that with a ratchet now. I really wish I could do this at the shop. It'd be so much easier on a lift. But we got too much stuff going on at the shop right now. And bolt should pull right out. And there's the shop. As you can see right here where it threads into it. See right there where the bolt threads into that top bolt. I'm going to spray some Freol in there just to get it good. So it'll be good to get out, easier to get out next time if it's still on the road by then. Spray some Freol in there. Grab the shock. Put the shock up in here. Get the bolt in. Start to thread. That's pretty good. Sorry about that, guys. Now I'm going to set up for the bottom bolt. Just going to push the shock up into place. Put the bolt through. I can't believe it's being difficult on me. There we go. Not back on. Just kind of spin it. I do it. I like it being ending up right there. What I'm gonna do is get the wrench, start tightening it down. Again, the socket for these bolts is a 15. The actual nut that's connected to this back here is actually an 18. I'll try not to hold that right there. Get my wrench in here. Now tighten the top one. And that's it, guys. That's all you have to do to change the shocks. Basically, I think all the way through all years of the Freestars. I think it's almost the same as on the Winstars, if I remember right. Bolt right here, 15 millimeter socket, and torque it down. I think it's 55 pounds, but I'll double check it. But that's it. That's how you change the shocks on a 2000. This is a 2007 Freestar. Pretty simple process. Hope it helps any of you guys out there trying to wanting to change the shocks on it. I'll be doing a video soon on the changing the front struts and everything. Take care.